This is Turon. Hopefully you guys can see that. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Jimbo in the Kitchen. Today we're gonna be making some turon, and this one's gonna be special. It's a Filipino egg roll that's so good. It's a dessert, it's a snack. You can eat it with some ice cream, with some milk. It's just amazing. You just need 4 ingredients for this one, alright? You just need some egg roll wrappers, some brown sugar, some jackfruit, and the most important part, the banana. It should be a Saba banana. If you don't have that, you could use some yellow plantains. I recommend the thicker the better. The more yellow the better. Not the green ones. Don't use the green ones. Towards the end, I'm going to show you guys how it's supposed to be cooked. Usually, people just make it with no brown sugar on the outside just because it already has some on the inside. But that's not what we do here. We take it to the next step. So we're going to put some glaze on the outside. And I'll show you how it's done. And you're going to love it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for coming here. Let's make some food, guys. Let's make some food. This is Turon. Hopefully you guys can see that. We don't really put ice cream in it. We typically don't. but I do because it tastes better that way. All right, I don't know where to start. Fuck. Ice cream tastes good. All right, this is my first bite of the Turon. You see the jackfruit in there? And the banana? And all the brown sugar on the outside? That's the secret to it. You gotta put brown sugar in it when you fry it. Not everybody does that. Holy shit. This is so worth it. It takes so long to wrap it. It's time consuming, but so worth it. I wish the ice cream was melted, but whatever. Yes, Nadi. I cannot give you any of this. This is gonna make you shit. It's crunchy too. The good thing about this is that since I made so many, like right now I only cooked 5, right? I made like at least 30 of these. So you already know I'm gonna be making it like throughout the week, probably, you know, every other day or something. It's gonna last me like a week or 2. Maybe longer. Can someone just please tell me what the hell is going on my face right here, bro? What is going on with my face? I don't even care about the ice cream. Or at least the ice cream melting. I might get a spoon though. I'm gonna get a spoon. This thing is like an ice cream soup. I like to use my fingers more. It's more fun. Yo, whose hair is this? Who else, right? Hey! Who's you barking at, bro? Nadi, come here. We're gonna say bye to the people. Hold on. It's kind of good. I don't know why I'm drinking this. I don't know why I'm doing that when I got milk right here. It's pretty much like milk. I hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. It's pretty quick. I actually have lights now, so it's not that bad. I don't know what I'm gonna make next week. What should I make, Bubs? You don't know? I'm gonna get a stomachache after this. Say bye, Nutty. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Appreciate y'all.